Wolfy's street food quest. Wolfy sniffs delicious scents drifting down the alleyways. Did you know takoyaki means grilled octopus balls? Wolfy savors each bite, learning takoyaki facts to share. Next, Wolfy finds yakitori, a skewered bite of grilled joy. Grilled over charcoal, yakitori is a centuries-old treat. Wolfy dives into rumbling nori wrapped onigiri history next. Nori gives a nigiri its crunch and comes from sea plants. Feeling full, Wolfy fancies a